Wow, these SpaceAid spice racks are awesome. They have cleaned up my drawer amazingly. We had spices like everywhere, and we're not using their spice bottles. We have a bunch of our own spice bottles, which is fine, but it comes with the spice bottles. I'd like to thank SpaceAid for sending these to me to review. I really do appreciate it. SpaceAid is such a fantastic company. I love my partnership with them. They have solutions, so much so that when I go to buy my own organizational stuff, I will usually shop SpaceAid. So these are fantastic. They fit right in the drawer, and then you can see all of the spices right there. They kind of lay them out really neatly. And we had such a messy drawer. Like, it was like the spices were just all thrown in there. And sometimes we'll use products and kind of demo them, and then they're not that practical. But no, I don't have the boxes and anything, because I actually put those SpaceAid drawers in probably about a year ago, and I'm just getting around to making the video now. So I unboxed it. I put the SpaceAid in there, but I didn't get a chance to film it. So now I'm finally getting to it. And yeah, it's been there. We've used it for over a year. Love the product. Fantastic. Really cleaned up my drawer, and I am not moving it out of that drawer. So once again, thank you so much, SpaceAid. Fantastic results.